Welcome back, Standard 10th, Chapter 8, page number 125. So let us study the table 8.1, the values of all the trigonometric ratios at different angles. So please learn by heart this table, very important. Sin A, 0. Sin 30 is half. Sin 45, 1 upon root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Sin 90 is 1. Cos A. Now you see it goes in the reverse way. 1, root 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2, half, 0. Okay. So learn by heart the first line. Second one goes reverse. Now tan A is the ratio of sine upon cos. So 0 upon 1 gives you 0. Half upon root 3 upon 2 gives you 1 upon root 3. In this way you find out. After tan A, you can take cot A. Cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. It will be the reverse of tan A. Cosec A will be reciprocal of sin A. Sec A will be reciprocal of cos A. So please learn by heart table 8.1. After completing the exercise, we will see the textual examples later on. So now we start with 8.2. So at present, we will refer to the table and afterwards we will learn by heart and then it will be very easy for us. Now for example, sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2, cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 plus half into half. These are the values as per the table 8.1, page number 125. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 upon 4 plus 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. Denominators are same, so 3 plus 1 gives you 4 upon 4 is 1. Second, 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. 2 into 1 square plus root 3 upon 2 whole square minus root 3 upon 2 whole square. So cos 30 and sin 60 are same. तो ऐसे आपको याद रखना है. Sin 60 और which will be same? Cos 30. Sin 60 cos 30. ठीक है. Third, cos 45 upon sec 30 plus cosec 30 degree. 1 upon root 2 upon 2 upon root 3 plus 2. 1 upon root 2. Now this cross multiply, you get 2 plus 2 root 3 upon root 3. Root 3 will go up. So we get root 3 upon root 2 bracket 2 root 3 plus 2. Rationalize the factors and we get the answer. Root 3 into 2 into root 6 minus root 2 upon 24 minus 8. And the final answer is 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8. I hope this question is clear to you all. Once again, I'll explain. Chalo, these values are clear? Okay. Now, this 2 multiplied with this. So, you get 2 plus 2 root 3 upon root 3. ये आ गया समझ में? Now, this root 3 will go up and you get root 2. This is root 2. 2 root 3 plus 2. When you open the bracket, you get 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2. ये आ गया समझ में? Now, what is the rationalizing factor of this? 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2. When you rationalize, you get root 3 into 2 root 6 minus root 2 upon 24 minus 8. Root 3 into 2 root 6 minus root 2 upon 16. Now, when you open this, you get root 18 minus root 6. 9 twos are 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Put the values half plus 1, this is the numerator, minus 2 upon root 3 upon 2 upon root 3 plus half plus 1. While solving this, we get 3 upon 2 minus 2 upon root 3, 3 upon 2 plus 2 upon root 3. When you cross multiply, you get 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 plus 4. 3 root 3 minus 4, rationalize the factor, plus minus becomes a square minus b square, 27. Now a minus b whole square, when you square it, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a square minus b square, you get 27 minus 16. Root 3 square is root 3, 3 square is 9, 9 3s are 27, 4 square is 16. So we get 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30. 5 into half square plus 4 into 2 upon root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. 1 upon 2 whole square plus root 3 upon 2 whole square. 5 upon 4 plus 16 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. So when we solve this, we get 15 plus 64 minus 12, because 12 is the LCM, upon 12, and this will be 1 plus 3, that is 4 upon 4 gives you 1, and numerator gives 67 upon 12. Now we go to question number 2. Choose the correct options to justify your choice. 2 10 30 upon 1 plus 10 square 60 30 is equal to how much? Now 2 10 30 upon 1 plus 10 square 30, 2 into 1 upon root 3 upon 1 plus 1 upon root 3 whole square. 2 upon, when you open this, you get root 3 bracket 1 plus, see this root 3 will come down. When you open this, what is 1 upon root 3 whole square? 1 plus 1 upon 3, no? So 1 plus 1 upon 3, 6, root 3 into 4, when you solve this, you get 2 into 3 upon 4 root 3, that is root 3 upon 2, and when root 3 upon 2, when it is sine 60 degrees. So your answer is sine 60 degree, option A. 1 minus 10 square 45 upon 1 plus 10 square 45. 1 minus 1, because 10 45 is 1. 1 plus 1 square 0. Answer is option D. Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a is true when a is equal to 10. A is equal to 0 degree. So sine 2a will be sine 0 is equal to 0. And 2 sine a will be 2 into sine 0. 2 into 0, 0. For a is equal to 0 degree, sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a. For a is equal to 30 degree, 2 sine a is equal to sine 60, that is root 3 upon 2, take note. And 2 sine a will be 2 into sine 30 will be 2 into half, that is 1. For a is equal to 30 degree, sine 2a is not equal to 2 sine a. Understood? For a 45, sine 2a is equal to sine 90 is equal to 1, and 2 sine a is equal to 2 into sine 45 into, that is 2 into half, 1 upon root 2, that is root 2. So for a 45 also, both are not same. Now for a 60 degree, what do you say? Sine 2a is equal to sine 120, which is not covered in our syllabus right now. So the correct option is a is equal to 0. Both ways you are getting 0. Now the next one, 2 10 30 upon 1 minus 10 square 30. So what is the correct answer? 2 into 1 upon root 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon root 3 whole square. So the final answer is root 3, that is tan 60, option C. 10a plus b is equal to root 3. 10a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3. Find a and b. 10a plus b is root 3. 10a plus b, root 3 की वैल्यू कब रहेगी? 10 60 रहेगा तो root 3. 10 10 same. So a plus b is equal to 60. 10a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3. 10a minus b is equal to 10 30. So a minus b is equal to 30. Number 1, number 2. Solving both the equations, we get a 45 and b 15 degree. Question number 4. State whether the following are true or false. Justify answer. Sine a plus b is equal to sine a plus sine b. The given statement is false because sine a plus b is not the product of sine and a plus b. We can check by taking a is equal to b is equal to 30 degree. Chalo, put the value. A plus b sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. Sine a plus sine b, so sine 30 plus sine 30, half plus half gives you 1. The value of sine theta increases as theta increases. The given statement is true because, as we know, the value of sine theta increases from 0 to 1. You can see the table, as the value of theta increases from 0 to 90 degree. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. The given statement is false. The value will decrease. Okay. By seeing the table, we can say the value decreases. Last one. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all the values of theta. The given statement is false because for all the values of theta other than 45, sin theta is not equal to cos theta. Look, Sine 30 is half, cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Only for theta is equal to 45, sine theta and cos theta are same, that is 1 upon root 2. Cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. The given statement is true because sine 0 degree is equal to 0, cos 0 degree is equal to 1, gives cot 0 degree is equal to 1 upon 0, and the division by 0 is not defined. So your answer is true. So learn by heart table 8.1. Okay. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Okay.